Today, I'll be showing you how to combine two Nature's Generator Lithium 3600 units. To connect both Lithium 3600 units, we'll be using the combiner cable. Start by connecting the combiner cable to the power port located on the back of the Lithium 3600. Keep in mind, two Lithium 3600 units can also be stacked to help save space. Next, connect the combiner cable to the 30 amp inlet box. Now, let's demonstrate a quick test. When grid power goes out, two Lithium 3600 units work together. When grid power goes out, the two Lithium 3600 units work together to restore power, delivering up to a total of 6,000 watts. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and be sure to follow at Nature's Generator for more information.